guys, welcome back to the channel. In the last video I kind of jumped from tearing apart the car to washing the engine bay. So today I'm going to start working on sanding and grinding the rust and paint from this engine bay. But first I'll be making a stop at the depot to purchase some materials so I can get the booth enclosed to keep the rust and dust from flying all over this already messy garage. So I'll start that first and then we can get to work. So guys, I just got back from the depot. I purchased 4 2x3s and 9 1x2s. I had an extra one lying around, so I'll have a total of 10. And the vapor barrier as well I had lying around. You can also use any screws you want. Drywall, I have 1 1/4 inch, that'll do fine for this. So the first step to the construction of this booth was that I was going to end up pilot drilling all the ends of the pieces of wood so they wouldn't split when I was attaching them to the 2x3s, which were going to be my 4 corners. I completed building the 2 walls and I put them on the driver and the passenger side, stood them up, and then I connected them with 1x2s at their base and at the top. This just made it a lot easier and stronger for when I was going to be attaching the vapor barrier. Just started on one end, started stapling the middle, worked my way all the way around, lifted up the flap and connected the tops of them. I had to go back to the depot to purchase the top end of this booth. I was short a little bit on the vapor barrier, but I used the excess vapor barrier as my doorway. I managed to fish through the light and everything looks great. I'm pretty happy with it, and we'll see how it goes. So that wraps up this short little video, guys. I hope you liked it. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit your notification bell so you can get updates on this build. And in the next video, we'll surely get around to sanding this engine bay down and testing how this booth actually works. Thanks.